Okay, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make easiest method to make Bitcoin on Faucetpay wallet. So right now I have 0 Bitcoin in my wallet. At the end of the video you will be able to see some amount of Bitcoin will be added to my account, so watch carefully. So this is my account of faucetpay.io. It is a website, so it doesn't have app. And let's go for faucet list. There are a lot of websites that will pay you Bitcoin. We can see there are hundreds of websites, but we are not talking about that. We are going for paid to click. So there is option for paid to click to those users who are daily user of this site. So it says visit for 8, visit 8 for 3 satoshi, visit 8 for 1 satoshi. So we are going to visit, and we just have to wait for 15 to 7 seconds. It depends upon the cost. So we have click our first ad, and the timer, we just have to solve a captcha here. And yes, 3 satoshi has been added to our balance. Now let's go for second ad. So in this way, this is the easiest method. You just have to click on ad and just wait for some seconds and get paid. You don't have to do anything else, otherwise you just need to solve a captcha. So you can also see these are the website that pay you Bitcoin, so they are also advertising here. So you will discover also new sites to earn Bitcoin. It says on Solana, so it's paying Solana. This website will pay you Solana coin, so you can just create account here. There is a huge benefit of using this type of ad. You can see this is also another highest paying site to make money fast. So this is also a legit site. I have already used it. So this is the benefit of using this pay to click of Faucetpay. Watch carefully till the end. I'll show you the payment that I have received till the last. You have to be master at solving captcha, because a lot of captcha are coming here. So if you can't solve captcha, then you will not get paid. So we have almost solved more than 6 ads already, and there are still 9 to 10 left. Look, 13 satoshi already have been collected in my Bitcoin as in my wallet. So my balance is now already 13 satoshi. I have been clicking on ads. So finally guys, still 11 ads have been left, so I'm clicking on that ads. So we have been clicking our ads. Here is a Hilano faucet. This is also the best faucet to make money. So you will find a lot of websites here. LuckyDiamond.io also is a good website. You can make money from this also. So after by clicking pay to click, you will discover a lot of ads, sorry, a lot of websites that will pay you Bitcoin in return. So this is the one of the best benefit. Juicy BTC, this is also the nice website. So this is our fourth last website, Bitcoin Mania. So this is our third last website, SuperX. This is also a good website, I think, to make Bitcoin. So guys, in this way you can make Bitcoin by clicking on ads of the Faucetpay website. And there are also a lot of websites under Faucetpay which pay for Faucetpay directly, but by clicking on pay to click you will claim extra reward fast. Look, and now at the starting of video I had 0 Bitcoin. Now I have 28 Satoshi in Bitcoin. So this is the payment proof. So if you guys then like, subscribe and share. Thank you.